Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to center your site title in WordPress quickly and easily. A well-centered title can instantly make your website look more professional, and by the end of this guide, your header will look perfectly balanced. Let's dive in. First, we need to access your WordPress site. Open your preferred web browser and go to your WordPress homepage. At the top right, click the login option. You can log in using your standard credentials, or for a faster option, select Continue with Google to authenticate with your Google account. Once logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the Edit Site option within the Quick Links section and click it. This will open the site editor where we can start customizing your header. Now let's make some space for centering the title. In the site editor, navigate to your header area. Click the plus icon to add a new component, then type spacer in the search bar and select the spacer element. Insert the spacer element twice. These will act as buffers to help us center the title perfectly. Finally, locate your site title in the header. Click and drag it so that it sits exactly between the two spacer elements. That's it. Your site title is now centered, giving your website a clean and professional look. And there you have it. Centering your WordPress site title is that simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an easy WordPress tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.